Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by becoming the active host or getting controller access. This lets you trigger events. Once you have control, open the disaster panel immediately and choose a low-intensity option to test. Make sure to inform other players briefly so interactions stay fair. You want to observe timing and area effects, so pick a small radius or short duration first. This establishes baseline behavior and prevents sudden server chaos, while you learn how each disaster impacts the map and player movement. Once you've tested a single event, sequence multiple disasters to create dramatic but controlled escalation. You should space them by 10 to 30 seconds so you can observe how one effect stacks on another and how players respond. Make sure to tweak intensity or radius between events if the server lags or gameplay becomes chaotic. Use in-game shelters, vehicles, and props to map safe zones and likely damage corridors. This helps you predict outcomes and refine settings for consistent results. To finish, wind down the sequence and restore default disaster settings so normal play resumes. Announce closure so everyone knows it's over. Make sure you record the exact timing, intensity, and any anomalies you observed so future runs improve. If you run into problems, like stuck effects, duplicated objects, or lag, first relog the host or restart the map instance. That usually clears persistent glitches. If issues persist, reduce intensity and retest smaller samples before another full sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.